You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this color, as well as how to say more color names and vocabulary that is useful but too many people mispronounce. Stay tuned, loads to learn. Mauve is how it's said in British English. Mauve. Now in American English it's usually said mauve as mauve, mauve or mauve. It's easy. From French, mauve, indeed. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations like this video. If you found it useful, it helps a lot. I appreciate the support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.